Have you ever wished there was a tiny superhero out there battling plastic pollution? Millions of tons of plastic waste clog our landfills and oceans, creating a massive environmental problem. But what if the answer might lie in a world invisible to the naked eye, the world of bacteria? Today, we're diving into the fascinating possibility of plastic-eating bacteria and exploring if they could be the key to saving our planet. So, hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the science behind these munchy microbes. Can munchy microbes make a meal of plastic? Imagine a microscopic world where tiny organisms chomp down on plastic like it's their favorite snack. This fantastical scenario might actually be closer to reality than you think. Scientists have discovered several types of bacteria that seem to have an appetite for certain plastics. These bacteria hold the key: enzymes. Think of enzymes as special tools that these microbes use to break down the complex chemical structure of plastic, turning it into something they can absorb and use for energy. Could this be the solution to our plastic pollution woes? Not all plastics are created equal for bacteria. Hold on a sec though. Just like us with our favorite foods, not all bacteria are created equal, and their plastic preferences are just as diverse. Imagine these tiny organisms as microscopic picky eaters. Some specialize in specific types of plastic, like PET, the kind commonly found in plastic bottles. These bacteria have enzymes specifically designed to break down the chemical structure of PET. On the other hand, other bacteria might have a taste for polyethylene, a plastic commonly used in bags and food packaging. Their enzymes are geared towards tackling the molecular makeup of this different plastic. This variety in bacterial appetites means that while some might be happily munching away on our plastic waste, others might be looking elsewhere for a suitable meal. This highlights the need for further research to develop a wider range of plastic-eating bacteria or even broader spectrum enzymes that can tackle a larger variety of plastics. The race is on. Can bacteria keep up? There's a major hurdle to overcome with plastic-eating bacteria: the sheer scale of the plastic problem. Plastic production is on a relentless upward trajectory, creating mountains of waste that these tiny organisms might not be able to handle. Even if bacteria can break down plastic, it's a slow process. Imagine millions of microscopic mouths nibbling away at plastic mountains. It would take a very long time to make a significant dent. The reality is, the amount of plastic waste we generate vastly outpaces the current capabilities of these bacteria. So, while plastic-eating bacteria offer a glimmer of hope, they can't be the sole solution. We need a comprehensive approach that combines this technology with a focus on reducing plastic use and improving recycling efficiency. Beyond the bacteria buffet, other solutions we need. Plastic-eating bacteria are like tiny superheroes with a taste for plastic, but they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. Plastic pollution is a complex problem, and we need a multi-pronged attack to truly tackle it. Here's where we come in. Reduce. This is the golden rule. The less plastic we use in the first place, the less waste ends up in landfills and oceans. Simple swaps like using reusable bags, water bottles, and food containers can make a big difference. Think of it as saying no to plastic pollution at the source. Recycle. Recycling gives plastic a second life. By properly sorting and recycling the plastics we do use, we can keep them out of landfills and even transform them into new products. Remember, recycling is like giving plastic a makeover. It reduces waste and conserves resources. Research marches on. Scientists are on the case, constantly exploring ways to make plastic more eco-friendly. This could involve developing plastics that decompose naturally, or even engineering faster-acting plastic-eating enzymes. Research is like having a team of brainiacs working on future solutions. The future is a balancing act. So, can plastic-eating bacteria save the planet? Maybe not on their own, but they're a promising piece of the puzzle. By combining this technology with a focus on reducing plastic use and improving recycling, we can create a cleaner future for our planet. Remember, a healthy planet means healthy oceans, teeming with life, not plastic waste. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of plastic-eating bacteria. Let's all do our part to reduce plastic use and support a cleaner future. What are some ways you reduce plastic in your daily life? Share your tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science content.